Welcome back to Market Pros and Merry Christmas. All right, so here we have Bitcoin on the 1 hour. We're going to stay on the 1 hour. I mean, obviously, this market has flatlined. It is because of the holidays, okay? So we're just going to have a quick update. We're going to talk about the bullish and bearish cases, all right? So then after Christmas, you guys can get ready because it will get volatile after Christmas. First, we're going to go over the chart layout so you guys see what I'm seeing, and then we will continue on to the analysis. Sorry about the background noise, by the way. My son is playing with all of his presents. There's really nothing I can do about it, so bear with me. I'll try to speak up a little louder so that kind of drowns him out. All right, so here we have your yellow 21 EMA, your red 50 EMA, your blue 100 SMA, and your purple 200 SMA. The blue is your 100, by the way. I don't know if I said that at first. And then we have your VPVR here, you're right, which measures horizontal volume at a certain price level. Basically how your volume is vertical, this volume is horizontal. Next we have your momentum oscillators, one being your RSI, another one being your MACD. Then we have a volatility measurement, which is your BBWP. Now, the Christmas, like I said, has flatlined this. Everybody, spending time with their family. Now, we do have some changes, though. On your RSI, you are entering the bearish control zone. Okay, you are below your signal line. MACD, fresh cross of the zero line to the downside. Negative momentum starting to pick up a little bit. If we cross this low on the histogram to the downside, that's not going to look good. BBWP has gotten out of the 10 percentile and above your moving average. So we have a move coming. Quick too. Maybe today. Probably tomorrow. At the latest, in my opinion. So basically what we're looking at is if you break the top of the range at about 16,930, I would expect you to come up to 17K. All right, now if you break 17K, then you're probably going to go up to the top of the previous range at 17,125. If you break 17,125 on a 1 hour closure, 18K is in the cards. Okay, now next, if you break these wick lows at about 16,690, I do expect you to come down to 16,500. If you break 16,500, 15,500 is in the cards. Okay, like I said, these momentum oscillators are turning to the downside. Your downside is a little more probable at this point. Your momentum has shifted to the downside as your BBWP is rising to the upside. So your volatility is expanding. Let's go to the order blocks. So you're stuck in between a demand order block and a supply order block. All right, basically getting your bounces. Front ran this one, it's 16,700. You front ran that, picked that back up, got rejected from the double supply block at 16,850, 16,854, and then now you're still stuck in the middle again. So not much has changed, except your stochastic is pointed to the downside, leaving the bullish control zone below your signal line, but you are just converged up against it right now, so this could go either way. I'd say I'm 60% bearish, 40% bullish right now. Okay, so yeah, let's move on to Ethereum. Here on Ethereum, I mean, basically the same thing as Bitcoin right now, except you are deep in the bearish control zone. Okay, now, and then your MACD has crossed. Okay, buddy, we will. So your MACD has crossed to the downside of the zero line. Negative momentum is increasing as your BBWP is starting to skyrocket. Okay, like I said, the downside is more probable at this point. Okay, now, doesn't mean that, this could be a big BART like we were talking about the other day. We come down 1162, all right, and just finish this BART out, So bullish case is that you break these wick highs, get back into this red zone at 1232, If that happens, 1325 is in the cards. Basically, if you break this last low at 1184, I do expect you to come down somewhere at 1156. Break 1156, 1080 is the next stop. Okay, let's move on to Solana. Solana looks weak as hell. All right, you're in the bearish control zone on the RSI, MACD, below your zero line, fresh cross of the signal line to the downside, as your BBWP and your moving average have a positive slope. So basically, if you break this last wick low at 1110, $11 first, but most likely $10 is in the cards. And then if you break this wick high, I'd like to even see the 100 broken. Basically, this last breakdown point in inefficiency right here. So 1175, I would expect a minor rejection from this VPVR level and the 200 at 1206. Probably even another one from 1226 where your POC point of control on the VPVR is. And then work your way up probably to this breakdown point at 1387. All right, so there's your bullish and bearish cases for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. If you guys like this video, like and subscribe to the channel. Check out the links in the description below. One being the Discord. A lot of good conversation about crypto, trading, investing, markets as a whole. We stay ahead of this market collectively. Talk about these moves before they happen. We share our trades. We share our strategies. Definitely join the Discord. It's the place to be. Show some support in the bear market. Show some support on Christmas. If you like Christmas, like and subscribe to show that you like Christmas, okay? And I wish everyone well. Like I said, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Everyone have a great morning, great afternoon, great evening. And I will see you tomorrow.